This is the new 3D printed retaining ring for the center hubcap. I'm going to show you how it installs, and then I'm going to glue it to the cover cap. But you'll see here those tabs engage like that. And you can see it snaps right on. It's a nice tight fit. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue that to the back of the old center cap. So in order to attach the ring to the back of the center cap, what we need to do is remove the old tabs, remove that old ring. What I'm going to do is break off tabs here so that this will be able to be epoxied or glued flush. Okay, now what I want to do is file these rough edges down. You could take a little file and file off the excess from the tabs, or you can use a little grinder here. All right, we got the 3D printed ring, got this blended down. What I want to do is line up these tabs where the old tabs were, like that. And you can see it kind of self-centers. And then you're going to use a glue or an epoxy to attach the new ring. Now this glue says it needs 24 hours to dry, and I kind of need to get to a car show tomorrow morning. I'm going to try this super glue, although it might be a little too brittle, but let's go for it. Also going to add some of this glue here. Not sure that glue really seated that well. It's not pretty, but we'll let that sit for, it says 2 hours, and then a full cure is 24 hours. So we'll let that sit. Got the ring glued to the back of the center cap. Let's go ahead and install it. Easily installs. You want to line up the tabs with the tabs on the wheel. It pops into place. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.